Hey guys, welcome back. So in our last lecture, we have seen that we created two classes in demo, and in demo have a two test method test cases, and demo one have a one test cases, and we want to run both of the classes. It means all three test cases at once by one click. How can we do this? And we said that TestNG can do this, other than individually run this demo class, then get a report, and then again run demo one. That's not the efficient way to do. So to do this, TestNG said like you have to convert your project to a TestNG project. It is a TestNG project, but there is another file is still required to run all of your test cases. Like if you want to run multiple classes, multiple test cases by one click, you want to exclude some of the method or include some of them, to whatever you want to do, like get real control or make it dynamic your framework, TestNG require another file is called TestNG XML file. Here is the document. Also, don't worry, you will get all this document. So it's a triggers to all test cases from different classes need a TestNG XML file. And how can you get the TestNG XML file? Very simple. We'll create, right click on your project, select TestNG and convert this project to a TestNG. Okay, and then finish next, and then we'll see what is XML file. Okay, let's go. So here is our project. Right click, and you can see there is an option, it's called TestNG. Okay, you can see TestNG, and then convert to TestNG. Select this one, and then don't worry about this this window, just keep it as it is. It's then finish it. We'll explain this default format of the TestNG XML file. Here is, you can see TestNG XML file been created, right? It's been created. Okay, so now you can run your both classes, all the classes and everything, all the method together by one click, one single click. How? If you right click on your TestNG XML file, then you can say run, then you can say TestNG suite. Okay, run TestNG suite. Here we go. You can see, let's go to your console first. You can see in your console, it's giving you, there's a three, this is the report. Like from the first demo, you can see you had supposed to print my first test method, or my second test method. This is second test method. Sorry, it's a typo. Second test method, and then from the other class, from the demo one, it's a test for showing product list. You can say test for showing product list. Okay, and it means both of the class got executed, all the method inside those, and you can say run three methods or three test cases, pass all of them, no failure, no skips. And also you can see there is another tab here, result of running suite. Result of running suite. If you click up there, you can see it's give you more details here. It's called suite, and then here is it, your test, test it has TestNG, it has its own hierarchy. I will explain you. This is a test, and then this is a test demo. Okay, in test demo, it means this is our our package. Our package name I created is test, so it's a test. In this package I have a two class, one is demo, another one is demo one. So in demo test.demo, in demo class I have a two method, display method and hello method. Both of them you can say it's a green check, it means passed. And you can see also it shows you how long it took to run, to execute, right? And there is another one underneath the same package test. You have another class which is called demo one, so test.demo one, and it has a one method which is called show method. You can see show method, and it's also passed. So it's give you a really nice result. It's kind of like it's a result where you can see pass, fail, methods, your classes, everything's okay. So that's the benefits of using a TestNG, right? Let's see how we can what's now. It's we need to know about the TestNG XML file in details. Let's open that. Here is our TestNG XML file. Okay, so we need to understand this TestNG XML file. Okay, so let's have in our next class, we're going to go through in details how this TestNG XML file been created, all those things. Okay, thank you.